Alright guys, we've got it fitted. It's not fitted properly because I'm a bodgy bogan, and I like to make sure that my helpers follow the same guidelines and principles. But we're going to kick it over. We are going to get an enclosure for it later on to make it legal, but for the time being, this will do. Alright. There we go. Ignition. Prime the pump. Walk around the door so I don't smash myself on it. That sounds chunkier. Hear it. You can definitely hear it pulling the air in. Ooh. I smell diesel fumes now, that's a good sign. Couldn't smell them before. Beep goes something. Alright, give it a couple of revs. Woohoo! Hear that? I like that sound. Try that again. And when then, got it? Yeah. That goes that sound. That's really good. I love it. Woo! We got whoosh noises. There you go. Round one of the modifications to the Captiva done. We have whooshy noises. Alright guys, that'll do us for today.
Stop recording
There's
button.
lockdown restrictions,
Double tap
so
to
we're going
activate.
to pull a pin here. Catch us next time. Keep ties down with Tilly.